It's so bright in here, Wick. I don't have to use the light on the phone.
I know, right? It's gonna be kind of nice not working in the dark.
In a cave.
Yeah. That piece is already loose. Oh, look how well that stuff works.
Well, I'll be damned.
Smells like oranges.
Yeah, Goo Gone smells good. So
we won't kill our livers at least. See how this goes.
No, that's after lunch.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, so Goo Gone removing spray-on adhesive and this denim-y insulation shit.
Yeah, don't ever do that.
Yeah, that's what not to do.
Yeah.
And when I ever get around to editing and uploading and making these live, I'll put a link to the video that we did this in, and then I'll put "do not do this, please see the future."
Yeah. Yeah, we did a good job gluing it down, I'll say that.
And it was pretty nice. It just didn't hold up to building the rest of the car.
Yeah. Something about us climbing in and out of the inside of it over the next 2 years.
Yeah, it wasn't too happy.
Too well to that.
Yeah, it didn't qualify to, oh, you have more things to do.
Mm-hmm. They use little pieces of dynamite, whatever asphalt stuff.
Yeah.
It's dynamite, isn't it?
It is. It's real deal.
It says dynamite on it. I
Oh.
remember that.
We'll layer the real dynamite all over that shit.
Yeah.
Fun.
Yeah, it's kind of good we got this so we can get rid of this sort of hokey deal too once we get down to it.
Oh yeah, because we have
We
the.
got that.
There it is.
The factory deal, and then these two factory. This might be for here. I can't remember. I have to look in the book.
We gotta unload this trunk and put all this shit away.
I know.
Yay, more moving.
Yeah.
Between the two of us, we've like spent the first 5 weeks of the year moving.
I'm tired of moving.
I don't want to move ever again.
I don't either. Yeah, it's horrific.
If I do, I'm hiring people.
Yeah. You know, what sucks though is you still got to be involved because slap stuff together, you know, and
Yeah, you gotta wrangle the posse.
you got to get it. I guess we do need to get it down to bare metal.
And then clean it.
Yeah.
But holy shit, that's working, huh?
Yeah.
Where'd you get these scrapers? These Eastwood, yeah?
Eastwood, baby.
Look at that. Fancy.
Yeah. It's like that's why you don't want to go on Eastwood just randomly looking at stuff.
Don't go drunk shopping on Eastwood because
Buying stuff like this, although right now it's kind of handy.
yeah.
When I
This
got
thing-
them, I wasn't really sure what I was getting them for.
You know what this feels like? Holding it? Kind of like a K-bar.
Yeah.
The handle's very,
Yeah.
it's well balanced.
It
I
is.
like it.
You did a good job with it.
Yeah, good piece. All right, so we're getting that denim shit out. We spent quite a bit of time with plastic scrapers and the professional Goo Gone. So now I'm outside. Yeah, little wire cup. It's taking care of a lot of it, and I'm finding a lot of fucking Bondo in places. Who the fuck Bondo's a floor pan? I also noticed my truck's leaking a lot of oil. Because it's due for an oil change. It leaks when it's ready for an oil change. Then it stops. Typical 7.3. Anyway, there's Fiona. Tina Izzy's in